Ladies and gentlemen, today we're delving into the intricacies of building a genuine and unforgettable connection with someone special. Making someone miss you isn't about playing games or manipulation, it's about creating a bond that resonates deeply. If you're looking to understand how to make any woman miss you profoundly, the key lies in authenticity, communication, and emotional investment. 1. Authenticity is the foundation. The foundation of any lasting connection is authenticity. Be yourself and let her see the real you. Pretending to be someone you're not can only lead to disappointment in the long run. Share your passions, interests, and vulnerabilities. When she sees your true self, she'll be more likely to connect on a genuine level. 2. Quality communication. Communication is paramount. Listen actively when she speaks, showing genuine interest in her thoughts and feelings. Engage in meaningful conversations that go beyond surface-level topics. Share your own experiences and stories, creating a sense of mutual understanding. Texting and calling are important, but also give her space to miss you by allowing her some breathing room. 3. Create memorable experiences. Making her miss you involves making an impact through shared experiences. Plan unique and memorable outings that leave a lasting impression. These experiences don't have to be extravagant, they just need to be thoughtful and tailored to her interests. Whether it's a cozy picnic or a spontaneous adventure, the effort you put in will speak volumes. 4. Showcase your independence. While building a connection is crucial, maintaining your independence is equally important. Pursue your own passions and hobbies, and give her the space to do the same. When you both have fulfilling lives outside the relationship, you'll appreciate each other's company even more. 5. Emotional availability and support. Being emotionally available is a cornerstone of making her miss you. Show genuine concern for her well-being and provide support when she needs it. Celebrate her successes and offer a shoulder to lean on during challenging times. When she knows you're there for her, she'll develop a deep emotional connection that makes her miss your presence. Conclusion. In conclusion, making any woman miss you deeply isn't about employing tricks or tactics. It's about forging a bond based on authenticity, communication, and emotional investment. By being yourself, engaging in meaningful conversations, creating memorable experiences, maintaining independence, and offering emotional support, you'll naturally create a connection that lingers in her heart and makes her genuinely miss you when you're not around. Remember, the key is to create a relationship that enriches both of your lives and stands the test of time.